a really huge umbrella, like as if they knew it's the rainy season, And the only thing that came through my mind when I heard about Vodafone releasing 4G was this.
You don't know why it's going on.
Hello guys, my name is Kofi. If this is your first time coming to this channel, well, I do take videos every week, and so you can check the channel to see more videos I've done. And if you like the content, you might want to subscribe so that you don't miss any future episodes. So I just returned from the MTN TurboNet Launch event that happened at the Accra Data Center. It was an amazing experience we all had. I already used TurboNet for about 2 months now, so this launch event basically is just an official gesture by MTN to actually bring in their product, but it's been on the market, people are already using it. From the look of things, it's really caught up very well because they've sold more than 12,000 devices since the product came onto the market somewhere in February, which is a real success story considering there's been so many options like that on the market before, but this one from MTN, which brings the fiber kind of speed that people look out for when they go in for broadband fiber or packages like that, is now available via wireless. You can just buy a TurboNet and then have that experience. So this is an initiative that people are interested in, and I think the demand is going to increase. The cost of the devices, I believe, has been subsidized by MTN because with the whole device plus the antenna it comes with and all that, it's more than the 300 cedis they are currently selling, which is a good bargain. Within the next 6 or 1 year of any device purchase, I'm sure MTN should be able to recoup their the amount of money used in subsidizing each device. It's an amazing initiative. The launch event was the official gesture. A few trailers also were shown about MTN TurboNet. It's this hyper all stuff, and I was invited to the event, so that's really nice. And MTN did not let me go without giving me something. Amazing personnel they have there, and I ended up getting this, which we are about to unbox. So let's get into it and start seeing what we have. So let's start with the bigger item. I think there are 3 items in there, so let's start with the bigger one. So let me clear the stage. So this is executive notebook. I'm not sure how executive it is. Okay, so let's get into it and see what we can find. How do I even open this thing? Good. Oh, I remember seeing this kind of notebooks the first time during Jungle Girls Who, and it was Abigail who was using it, I think at GCNet. The company gives it to them at the end of the year, and so it's amazing. Well, it comes with, I don't know, should I do another dedicated video about this thing, because it's really cool. Like, it's a notebook which has an inbuilt calculator where you can punch some numbers, and it has, I think, a power bank also inbuilt. So you have some USB ends over here. We have the Thunderbolt, we have the USB-C, and a USB, like the traditional USB adapter, and also the big one. Plus it has a pen. Pretty. Oh, power just came on. Okay, so it's an amazing notebook basically from what I'm looking at right now, and this is the pen drive. This is a pen drive. This is amazing. Like, I didn't expect this to be in. Like, wow, this is a real surprise. Like, I didn't expect this. Should I do a giveaway? I'm just thinking out loud. Anyway, so this is one of the items in the package given me. Well, let's move on. Wow. So the next item we have here is MTN Business, and that's what it says. I'm not sure what is in there. Okay, so I think they are pens that we can use to do some MTN business. Actually, I think it's the same pen in the notebook. Pretty nice. It looks really nice. Very beautiful pen. I remember going to the MTN office and I got a chocolate. I think I did a video about that. Aha, the one with Noah. So that's the next package we have. The last one, what do we have here? Is there an iPod? No, an earpod. Earpod, yes, earpod. iPod is different. That's I, but this one is ear. Okay, looks like a speaker. It is a speaker. Wow, this is cute. See how tiny, and I mean, probably going to be better than what I have. I bought this one. Let me see if I'll find it real quick. So I've been using this Beat Cube for the past like 5 years now. I bought it in Cape Town. That was the first electronic item I bought in Cape Town. It recently stopped working. It wouldn't charge. Probably the battery is somehow dead. So this is a welcoming addition. I'll put this to the test and let you guys know how it goes. It's gonna sound pretty normal. It's a Bluetooth speaker, so nothing exceptional there. Let me see if I can play some sound through it.
Parent to make them stop. When it comes to TV and movies, however, a director may actually...
So I think I just found a video on YouTube. I'm gonna play and then we can hear the sound and how it sounds like. I think
a baby to cry on command. And this requires hiring someone with a special set of skills. That's Elaine.
That's not bad if you ask me. This is not supposed to be your funeral speaker. It's something you can put on your table and then just get some music out of it, which I am gonna do a lot with this small thing. The last item I received was this. A really huge umbrella, like as if they knew it's the rainy season, you know. How does this thing work? Okay. That is MTN. These are the items I got as part of the presents for attending the MTN TurboNet launching event. I am happy to have been part of this experience, and thank you very much MTN also for getting me these souvenirs. I'm definitely gonna share them with friends and family and keep some to myself as well. There's an upcoming video of some of the highlights from the event, and I got the opportunity to also interview one of the staff at MTN, so we'll get to hear her story as well and how this TurboNet is transforming and hopes to expand the transformation when it comes to revolutionary. I'm happy. I was honored to have this opportunity as well. So Thank you, MTN. I'm excited about TurboNet not because I'm being paid or sponsored or something of that sort. It's because it's helping me and it's helping the people I know, and it's fast, the packages are reasonable, and it's reliable. So I'm happy to see like initiatives like this happen. Interestingly, after using the TurboNet for a couple of weeks, that was when Vodafone also came in with their 4G. And the only thing that came through my mind when I heard about Vodafone releasing 4G was this.
You don't know why it's going on.
I mean, they don't know what's going on. And this TurboNet is actually what is going on. I'm hoping to see more improvement on this infrastructure, and hopefully I might get to interview somebody who can go into technical details related to how it actually works, because that is something I'm hoping to learn more about. Just today I got to know this device is able to connect to 2 cell towers concurrently, which is something I didn't know, but it all has to do with making the speed faster, and that's how come we're able to enjoy faster speed. So I am hoping I could get a sit-down chat with a technical person at MTN and dive deeper into how the whole system works and why we are able to get faster network speeds and all that. So thank you for joining me for this quick unboxing. I hope to share more updates as and when they come up with my MTN TurboNet and any other offers that comes. I want to remain as neutral as possible, so I am happy to experience any better service or better package from any of the networks here in Ghana. It's up to them. So currently I'm in the ship of MTN, so hopefully I don't jump ships, but right now TurboNet is the best you can get on the market at the moment. Check out my other videos if you're interested in tech videos. I do them every week, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.